Ever just wanted to go for a ride in your chariot during the winter holidays? Stress-free? Then this video is for you.
Prowadź, ziomeczku! Ford Fiesta 1.4 TDCi. Yesterday I had problems with start the engine.
Let's clear some snow off the windshield. Now the hood. Right here with a kick. And a bit more over here.
A few moments later.
Okay, I got stuck. I need a bit of maneuvering. Soon you will see how lucky you can get sometimes.
Moment! Dobry!
If you ever go down Trinidad, they make you feel so very glad. Both mother and daughter working for the capital. Well, it's been building up inside of me for a while. I love the coffee. On the wind that leads me.
Yeah, I think some suspension spring. Prowadź, ziomeczku!
The wheel was rubbing hard against the fender, but I was very close and could deal with it right away. The spring broke and fell out of the spring seat, landing on the steering knuckle. I immediately ordered a completely new shock with a spring, so I wouldn't have to do half-measure fix. The spring compressors I had weren't enough, so I used a woodworking clamp to help, and somehow managed to install everything in its place. The repair went smoothly, and the car was soon back in use. Thanks for watching this video, check out my other videos, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing to the channel.